these are sewing. Guys, let me tell you what else I have. Why? I can't say no. I can't say no either. I'm telling you the truth. I'm blind like a bat. Blind like a bat. And the light too. Yeah. Girl, they buy that wig.
You can't change the color to the pan warm.
I tell you to put pan warm, but
You can't change it to.
so you know I'm telling you what you must put on warm. Jeez, girl, stop it.
The pan warm, really. Not.
Alright. Clap that. Clap that. Tell them, clap that. Guys, we are located at Shop 140A Midway Mall, Manning Road. If you are interested in our wig, sex toy, anything to do with cosmetics, we have eyelashes, we have press-on coming, all the good stuff there. Yeah, we have that too. Yes, we have that too. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We need to have one something in my bag and I can't find it. Then we need to have one lip gloss in my bag and then take it too.
Let's go 2 seconds. Hello.
Lady, I got some weird.
I got one.
I do business right now, excuse me. Let me do my business in peace. Let me do my business in peace. Give me some grace. What? Yes. With it. So see taste is done this. Go eat. What? They don't take card? So why did they use the ATM? I just want $100 patty I buy and I buy used card.
$100 patty?
Yeah.
Right here? Not original for people in patty and chicken you feel for her.
Them not a chicken dog there. You tell her that. Thank you, lady baby. Thank you, boo. What else? Them soup done? Oh yeah, gonna.
I have to go for my picnic. When I meet her grandmother, I have to go buy a compass and a stuff for her.
You know that limited?
Okay.
Yeah, remind me of somebody.
My baby.
No, not so. You don't say what's up everything. One thing with Mackerel. Don't business. You know, it's about people, girl.
What time them not for sure?
Guys, come. Thank you, boo. I'm talking to my people. Give me grace. I'm doing business.
You know, I don't take a cousin number. I can't do business. What's your name? Your cousin name again, true.
Give me grace. Give me grace. Guys, I want to thank you so much. Really appreciate it. When me done talk to my people, I need them to follow my business page. What my next one there? Eh? My glasses fit me, I show me no weird. Yeah, let me do it. I'm gonna show them a TikTok. She started
Instagram live?
Oh, this is a TikTok live. Oh, yeah, she a use the phone.
It's so cool. It's not me, it's looking guys.
Alright guys, so please me ask you to run go over my business page. It's Max Wigs and Cosmetics and follow my business page. Please, I'm asking you guys. You can go live now? Give me to 1,000 followers chat so I can go live over there. Cancel that. Okay. Come show me. The video is there. I'm checking right now. Clock that, see. Guys, you can follow my business page, Max Wigs and Cosmetics. And don't forget to come on down here and shop at Shop 148 Midway Mall, guys. Shop 148 Midway Mall. Shop 148 Midway Mall. Where is that? Oh, this Javila? Oh. Shop 148 Midway Mall, Manning Road. That where we are located. Shop 148 Midway Mall, Manning Road. That's where we are located, guys. So we have blonde bob, we have grey bob, we have kinky curl. We have kinky curl 14 and 16. We have bundles. Frontal is here. We have 12 inch frontal 13 by 4. We have deep wave. We have pixie. We have a black bob also, guys. Okay. And everything to do with hair and cosmetic stuff. I will have the good Ruby Kisses foundation also to guys. Like, once in the comments, I will have a lot of, you know, stuff. But then I want to jump cash. I want to go ready. Well, I'll chat. People like you, I love. Thank you. What are the prices? It all depends on what you want. So you can send us a message. It all depends on what you want. We have wigs starting from 5,000, which is a pixel wigs. Pixel wigs. We have it in burgundy, black. Hello?